Hey guys, this is Jen and welcome back to my channel. So I am in Stavanger again guys, and of course I'm going to give you a short glimpse of Stavanger today. It's 3rd of June. So now I'm walking just right outside of Arcaden, the shopping center, and now I'm going towards to walk towards Stavanger Port, and of course we're gonna pass by the shopping street here. So let's go. So as you can see, there's not so many people today guys. It's weekday. And here's clothes shop, winter sport. It's more on adventure clothes when you go hiking, walking, and stuff like that you need. Here's for bags, Katarina shop. And here's for lingerie. Okay. Thank you so much guys for subscribing to my channel. If you are watching, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. Here's a tea house, Alti Cafe house also, and tea and coffee. Oh, so it's really quiet today. So my route would be, I am actually together with my husband, but he went the other way to the pharmacy, and we decided to meet there at the Torge by the Burger King. So that's cool. I get a chance to have my walking tour here. Okay, so here is also Embla Bunada. They're here in this shop. They make the Norwegian national clothes, national dress, bunad. Here's Stavanger Optic for the eyewear. And here is Håndlaget Norsk Sjokolade. If you're at the chocolate, it's there. And here's Mr. Turtle. I don't know what's the connection of a turtle here in Stavanger. Okay, so let's see. That's my favorite Thai restaurant, guys, at the edge there. Thai Diner Asia. Okay. Now we're going to Live View Street. I thought they said hello to me. So here, as you can see, people drinking, guys. That's another place for drinking there. Okay, so now let's walk towards the colorful street. Finkel Cafe on my left. So you see guys, and the right is Booker and Burst. So as you can see, people are enjoying, having a good time finally. So if you see my video on February, this place is like a ghost town. So look now guys, on my right that's Honeycomb, and on my left that's Circus. So it's a little bit nice when people are out guys. More lively. Hopefully it won't spike again, the cases here. So now we're walking towards Stavanger Port, guys. This is actually my favorite route. If you notice in my previous videos, on my right, that's Gaffel and Carafel. That's a restaurant. And here is Armadillo. It's closed. So time check, it's 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock in the evening. Sun is up. People are out enjoying And then, so I'm gonna show you guys. Look, Shit Skateboard Company. Okay, on my right, that's Pepe's Pizza. They have a good pizza there, guys. It is American pizza. Okay, so here is another place. Oh, it's Pocorna. It's called that place is called Pocorna, and that means on the corner. Okay, let's go towards the in there to the port. Okay, so now we're approaching here, guys. Look at the colorful chairs and nice flowers. So now we are here. Fantastic weather today. Okay. Okay, on my left, that's Clarion Hotel. Oh, you're standing there by the roadside. I'm gonna walk here then. Okay, now we are approaching on the place where it's a little bit lively, or it's lively. On my left, that's Villa Trattoria Bar. Look. So, oh, it's really lovely today, guys. Lively. People are out. Wow. What was that? Okay, so these are the pubs. People having a good time, guys. Guys, here we are. Welcome to Stavanger. And I can see some of people are drunk already, guys. You're drunk already. And then now we're approaching, actually our meeting place is here in Burger King, here in Torga. And of course, I'm going to show you there. That's Olivia restaurant, very famous as well. Very popular, actually. Olivia restaurant. So now I'm gonna look for my husband. He's not here yet. This is Burger King. Oh, what was that? These birds are really annoying, guys. Okay. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna find myself a place to sit. Wait. I hope you guys enjoyed my short walking tour. And of course, if ever you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do. And we are planning for a short road trip soon, so that's gonna be exciting. And actually, we were supposed to go to Malta, but because of the corona restrictions, we canceled it. And luckily we got a refund. So thank you so much, guys, and see you again on my next upload. Bye.